In this video, I'll show you how to automatically capture a responder's email ID in Paperform. So every submission includes a valid email without any extra manual work. Start by opening your form in the Paperform editor. This is where everything is set up. Add a new question and make sure the field type is set to email. This is important because Paperform will automatically validate the input and only accept proper email addresses. Label the field clearly, something simple like your email address, so responders know exactly what to enter. Then toggle the required option. This ensures the form cannot be submitted unless an email address is provided. Now, to use that email automatically, head to Settings, then go to After Submission and click on Emails. Here, enable Send an email to the respondent. In the recipient field, select the email question you just created. This tells Paperform to automatically use the responder's email address for confirmations or follow-up emails. You can now customize the subject and message of the email. Use variables, also called piping, to personalize the message. For example, if you're collecting a name, you can greet the responder by name in the email. This makes your communication feel professional and personal. That's it. By adding a required email field and linking it to respondent notifications, you automatically capture and use the responder's email ID in every Paperform submission. Simple, efficient, and perfect for follow-ups.